Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm gonna cook some cornmeal porridge for my dinner, and this is the water that I have the cinnamon powder, cinnamon leaf, vanilla, almond, and also rose water inside. And now the pot is boiling, and I'm gonna add in my cornmeal. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. Now I'm adding in the cornmeal in the boiling water. Cooking some nice cornmeal porridge for my dinner. So guys, I'm gonna stir it up with my wooden spoon. So guys, I'm gonna stir it with my wooden spoon and make sure it don't stick. Stir it until it come together. See, coming up, guys. Getting thick with my cinnamon leaf, my cinnamon powder, rose water, almond extract, and vanilla, dark vanilla. And I put a little salt, a little margarine, so you see, guys. And guys, I'm gonna put, when it finish, I'm gonna put the evaporated milk, garnish and evaporated milk, and I'm gonna put some coconut milk in there too also. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna turn on the stove and let it take its time and cook. Turn down to medium, and that's it. It's cooking now, and I'm gonna get the evaporated milk and coconut milk, and I'm gonna get it full and throw it in a container. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. So adding the coconut milk. I'm stirring in the coconut milk now. Yeah. Get it cut, throw it, and put inside. So I'm stirring it in. Nice cornmeal porridge. This is the coconut milk, and this is the evaporated milk. So when it almost finished, I'm gonna put some of the evaporated milk inside. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. So if you like cornmeal porridge, please leave me a comment, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Chris Pastry and Vlog. Guys, I want to reach 1,000 subscribers, so please help me to reach there. I'm depending on you guys who watch my channel and my subscriber, beautiful subscriber. Yes, you know, every little thing, every little video make up, and tell me what you like about the video, that you can make a better video. In the new year, I want to put out more content and do better video than now, you know, guys, for you. So stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. The caramel porridge almost finished cook, so I'm gonna, as soon as I finish cook, I'm gonna sweeten it with my evaporated milk and sugar and the condensed milk. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now I'm gonna pour in some of the evaporated milk, and I'm getting the porridge sweetened. So some of the evaporated, I'm gonna stir it in like this. See it, guys? Stirring the evaporated milk. I already put in the coconut milk, so I'm stirring the.
That looks creamy and delicious.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
You want some?
Oh no, I'm not in the hospital.
Hospital?
Yeah.
You joke, man.
If I'm to drink some of this porridge, I'm gonna have to get in my PJs, and I don't know. I'm not a caramel
But it's
porridge
sweet, I
lover.
don't understand that.
My pajamas.
Oh.
Yes, that's PJs.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not in the hospital.
So because me
I'm
in
not
my
sick.
pajama and
Yeah,
something for
you
it.
can have porridge. I'm not a caramel porridge lover. I
I don't want
how
to
many porridge lover?
I don't want to have a lot of meat in my body, so I'm eating the corn.
Well, I drink hominy, which is the other version of cornmeal. Yeah, but I rather that porridge. I don't like cornmeal porridge.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
So it's still corn.
Yeah.
So
Still
what
corn.
else you adding in your porridge,
I'm
sir?
gonna add condensed milk, Grace condensed milk.
Oh,
See?
is it condensed milk or condensed sweetener, whitener?
Whitener. Well, it's sweetened, so it's
Yeah.
in a condensed milk.
So go ahead and do your thing.
Right? So I'm gonna add in some of this.
You could add all of that because that's just a little bit.
No, that I don't want it too sweet.
Okay. So where's your, did you had your nutmeg already?
No, I don't put no nutmeg in there. Put cinnamon and all the rest of spices. Cinnamon, cinnamon leaf, cinnamon powder, cinnamon leaf. Put almond vanilla.
Wow.
I even put a little French vanilla in there.
A lot of ingredients.
Rose water.
Well, probably I will taste a little bit because
No, I'm not
sounds
gonna,
delicious.
I'm not gonna give you none.
Really?
No, you're not
I
in
have
that.
to taste it.
This is not the hospital.
I don't care.
So I'm not
I
gonna
want
give
to
you
taste it. With all that ingredients inside of it,
Yeah.
must taste good.
Not last, boss.
Yeah.
Right.
So guys, this is the texture of the porridge, looking creamy and nice. Yes. Look at it. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna, guys, I'm gonna put in some nutmeg. This is a nutmeg, and this is a grater. So I'm gonna grate it now in there, just a little, to give it a nice.
Enhance the flavor.
Yeah. Real Jamaican style.
Okay. Did you put a little salt in it?
Of course,
To
I
bring the
have to put
flavor
salt.
up? Okay. So what you have over here cooking?
And cornmeal dumpling.
So these dumplings, who's gonna eat all these dumplings?
Person who don't want to go in hospital.
Oh my god.
Person who wants to they want the hospital food. Yeah.
So what is she going to eat with these dumplings?
I don't know.
You didn't provide nothing for me to eat with the dumplings?
No.
Oh my god. I'm gonna have to eat it with butter.
Yeah, eat with it butter.
Okay. That's
Good enough.
fine. It's still good. So yes guys. This is the porridge. All creamy and nice.
So I want a bit actually sweet.
So you get a small spoon and taste.
Let me get a teaspoon. I'm gonna taste the porridge. It's sweet.
It's ready to drink. It's short of something.
It want a little salt, more salt,
Just a tad.
and it want to sweeten some more.
So put the rest of the condensed milk in it.
Because I don't like to endorse in the sweetness. But I'm gonna finish because this condensed milk is very, it's a small amount anyway.
Nice.
So I'm gonna turn this fire down.
Yes guys, the dumpling is boiling over on this stove.
Cornmeal dumpling, so you see? She don't like cornmeal porridge,
But I eat cornmeal
but you eat
dumpling.
cornmeal dumpling.
Yes.
So it's still corn, don't it?
Yeah. And yes guys, I have leftover in the fridge I can put with the dumplings.
Yeah, and
I'm not gonna eat it
Yeah.
without any meat.
Right guys, I'm gonna stir in my condensed milk. So guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Chris Pastry and Vlog.
Yes,
And
guys,
leave a comment and tell me how do you like my video on the cornmeal porridge.
Yes,
See,
guys,
look at it, guys.
he
Nice.
has reached the end of making his porridge.
Show you some.
Looking all creamy and nice.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Yes, so now guys, he's plating his porridge.
Yeah.
Yes, like that.
I'm plating up my porridge.
All nice and creamy.
Yes, guys, so I'm gonna use this spoon to drink my porridge. So guys, here's the porridge. Here's me and my porridge. Mmm.
Tasty, it's good.
It's good because the flavor that I put inside there, the almond, the vanilla, the French vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and the cinnamon leaf give it a nice spicy flavor.
Not spicy. It doesn't have pepper. Okay guys, so yes, that's the end of the video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Chris Pastry and Vlog.
Yeah, and spicy don't mean not only pepper. You have mixed spice in nutmeg, you name it. So it's not only because it says spicy, it means pepper. When you're in the baking fields, you have mixed spice for what you're baking. Thank you guys for watching.